Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is the beginning of our adventure journey to Dzukou Valley, Nagaland. I honestly can't wait to share this journey with you all, guys. We start our trip from home at around 7:40 p.m. and head to railway station. It took us about an hour to get there, and our train is going to depart at around 9:12 p.m. We are here in railway station. We took lots of pictures and made lots of reels before going inside the train, before start our journey from train station. And of course, we are going to trekking, so reels is important.
देखा एक्साइटमेंट का लेवल देख सकते हैं अभी
Our train was supposed to leave at around 12 p.m. and thankfully everything went smoothly. Once we got onto the train, we settled into our seat, kept our bag safely and just relaxed. After a long overnight journey, we finally reached Kamakhya Junction in Guwahati at around 5 a.m. in the morning. The morning air felt so fresh after spending the whole night on the train. Since Guwahati was our final destination, we don't stay at the station for long. Instead, we went straight to my niece friend's room because we all of us were traveling together. We freshed up, rest for a bit, and started planning for the rest of the day. Now, if you are wondering where exactly we are going, our final destination is Dzukou Valley in Nagaland. And I have seen so many gorgeous pictures and videos of this place, and I honestly couldn't believe I was finally going there myself. The next mission was shopping, of course. Since Dzoku Valley is a trekking destination, we still needed a few important things before starting the hike. So we headed to Decathlon in Guwahati. At Decathlon, we bought everything we needed for the trek. We got trekking pants, a backpack, trekking shoes, a raincoat because mountain weather can change anytime, and we also bought salt. If you have trekked before, you probably know why people carry salt. It can be useful in places where leeches are common during the rainy season. So shopping took a while because we want to pick comfortable and useful stuff instead of just rushing through it. And we took few pictures and made reels, of course. And you can see here we were making reels. This reel is all over the internet, so we follow the trend since we are going to trek, and this is mostly, I guess, trekking reels or something, trip reels. It was so funny. We laughed a lot. Once we done, we were completely exhausted, so we decided to grab lunch before heading back. After lunch, we returned to the room, unpacked everything we had just bought, organized our backpack, and made sure we all had all the essentials. Packing for trekking is actually harder than it looks because you want to carry everything you needed, but at the same time, you don't want your backpack to get too heavy. After checking our bag one last time, we were finally ready for the next part of our journey. At around 4:30 p.m., we left the room and headed to the bus station. Why we were taking a bus instead of a train is because there is currently no direct train service between Guwahati and Kohima, so the bus is one of the most common travel option and budget friendly. We got on the bus and hoped for a comfortable ride. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. The bus journey ended up being one of the toughest part of the trip. There was a really strong rotten meat smell inside the bus. I couldn't tolerate that smell. The smell stayed there almost the whole night, and honestly, it was so hard to deal with. We kept opening the window whenever we could, cover nose, and somehow managed to survive the ride. The travel isn't always pretty. Sometimes social media only shows the beautiful views, but behind every amazing destination, there is uncomfortable moments like this that people don't really talk about. Still, we kept reminding ourselves why we were traveling in the first place. During one of the stops, we finally got a chance to feel the fresh air. Oh my god, it was so relief, and we enjoyed this panka kahawa for some time. There I have this cup noodles, and three of them don't want to have anything. But the shop owner gave us this sweet tamarind pickle. It remind us our childhood days, kind of nostalgia. We had hot noodles with tamarind pickle, and somehow that simple meal tastes amazing after such a long journey. Sometimes food tastes even better when you are traveling. And we were there for some time enjoying this panka kahawa. After another long night on the bus, we finally reached Kohima at around 7:30 in the morning. I wake up before reaching to the station, and I got a chance to see the scenery and took few videos. Seeing Kohima for the first time made us so excited because we knew the real adventure was finally about to begin. After getting off the bus, we hired a taxi. Since we were planning to start our trek the same day, we decided not to book a hotel. Instead, we are going to leave our luggage safely at our friend's house before heading towards Dzukou Valley. Honestly, I still can't believe we are finally here. The journey from home to Kohima was definitely long, tiring, sweaty, and uncomfortable. But every adventure starts with journey, and this is just the beginning. I'm really excited to see what Dzoku Valley has in store for us. Will the trek be difficult? Will the view be as beautiful as everyone says? You will have to watch the next episode to find out. So, guys, if you enjoyed coming along on this journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below if you have ever been to Dzokou Valley or if it's on your travel bucket list. So, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will be see you all in the next vlog where our trekking adventure finally begins. Bye.